You are going to love the 2020 Transit Wagon. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, low tire pressure warning. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility, regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility. Your new ride is just a phone call away.